How's it going, guys? My name is Dan, and today I'm going to be installing a powered sub in my 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. So the powered sub that I'm going to be installing is the Kicker Hideaway. So some of the tools that you're going to need for this job are a simple socket set, angle cutters, wire crimpers, wire splicers, an arrangement of screwdrivers, zip ties, wire connectors, trim remover, wire protectors, and a wire snake. One of the reasons why I went with the Kicker Hideaway is because if you have underseat storage in the Silverado crew cab, your sub will actually fit perfectly in the middle. So I'm going to start off by disconnecting the negative terminal. And you can just set it off to the side. After disconnecting the battery, I'm going to start removing the trim pieces. And these, all I do is pop off. Very simple. Here's the front driver's seat. Easy. Alright guys, so I ran my cable already. I did put the wire protector over it. The ground, I'm probably going to use one of the screws that hold down the seat. I ran the wiring harness through the pillar, and then I was able to get it underneath this cover. Here's my wiring now, and I did have to extend some of the cables. So in order to go through the firewall, on the driver's side there's this grommet. So I made a small incision, fed my wire snake through there, and was able to retrieve it from the other side. So here's the driver's side panel, and then here's my wire that I was able to feed through. All I got to do is hook up my power wire on there and pull it through. So I've made a connection on the other side, and I just need to pull my wires through. And here's the power wire. I put the wire protector on and secured it close to the firewall. I ran the positive wire to the battery and made my connection. For the remote turn on accessory, I used the ATR Micro2 Fuse Tap. The link to this item will be in the description. I tapped into fuse number 2, which is the SEO wrap, which stands for Retain Accessory Power. It's a 10 amp fuse. I placed the 5 amp fuse to the accessory power output. Your audio inputs are going to vary whether you're using RCA or splicing into your speaker wires.